You turn the start switch and nothing. Let's run through a quick checklist to troubleshoot a generator that won't start. Check the battery. Dead or weak batteries are a common culprit. Try recharging or replacing it. No fuel, old fuel, or clogged fuel lines can stop your generator cold. Inspect the ignition system. Loose connections or a faulty spark plug might be the issue. Check coolant levels. Low coolant levels can trigger safety shutdowns. Still won't start? It might be time for a professional service. If you are experiencing issues with your generator, give us a call. And for more Tech Talk Tuesdays, like this video and follow for more.